Hey guys, today we'll be doing a multi-sun analysis using our Park model from the earlier tutorial of moving between Rhino and 3ds Max. So we'll jump straight in. So over here in our create, so first of all, most importantly, you'll need to have V-Ray installed in with your 3ds Max. So you just simply go to the Chaos website and make an account and download V-Ray and follow the steps. But anyway, so we'll get on with this. So we go to our systems tab here, so little wheels, or cogs, and we want to do a daylight analysis. So we'll start by setting up a little compass almost within our model space. So we'll go there, and we want to pull our sun out, and we'll set that to initially 9 o'clock or 9 hours. And the next thing we want to do is click off of that and click back on, and we want to clone that, and we want to copy it, and we're going to grab that one, and we're going to come actually up here to our motion tab, and this will allow us to then move that from 9 to 12. And again, we'll clone that, and we'll then move that to, we need to click back onto that one, so number 3, and we then make that 15 or 3 o'clock. And due to this being a winter sun, we're just going to do 3 for this one. And then our next step will be actually to do our sun analysis. So in order to do that, we need to come across to our plus and need to go into our, if I can remember which one it is. Yes, so over here, this is within our helpers, and we go V-Ray light meter and set your view to your top view. You can do this within your 3D space. And what you want to do is draw out a grid like so. And we then just want to run our calculation. So we'll let that run through. And we'll speed this up so that you don't have to watch this process. There we have our analysis. So as you can see, that is running quite well. And we can then interpret some of the data from that accordingly. Yeah, and that's how you do a light analysis or multi-sun analysis in 3ds Max using V-Ray. Thank you.